Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Okay, and this is our product title for the novel Internet of Things centric framework to mine malicious frequent patterns. Okay, so this is our abstract. So here we present a new health platform incorporating different numbers of facing challenges and associated with Internet of Things IO security. And one of these challenges is to design novel frameworks to mine malicious frequent patterns for identifying misuse and detecting anomalies without incurring high computational. So the association rule mining ARM is one of the popular machine learning algorithms to the popular approach in the literature. So hence in this paper we are critically analyze existing association rule mining techniques, and here also we are finding the frequent data through different some machine learning algorithms as the a priori association rule mining, FB growth, prefix span, etc. So some of the algorithms to be used. So here we are finding different machine learning algorithms and predicting methods based analyzing frequent data under cancer prediction using decision trees. So here we then present a framework for mining malicious frequent patterns in an IoT deployment prior to evaluating the utility of the proposed works. Okay, so this is the data flow diagram for the Internet of Things process to the data mining. So first one is the dataset load. So the dataset load is nothing but here we are using two different types of datasets. One is the adult dataset and the other one is the diabetic data or cancer dataset and the medical dataset. So these two types of dataset will be processed. So first of all, the adult dataset will be loaded into the database. After the database loaded, the data is going to be pre-processing. The pre-processing nothing but suppose the data is going to be any null values or to be removed. And the other thing with here the process is to be removing the malicious. So the malicious means in our dataset some of the values is to be on the XX format. So here I am considering the XX XXX. X means X types of data is considered to be as a malicious. So this type of data is going to be removed. After the data is going to be clustering. So after the data has come to the classification. So here the data's classification is processing into the two parts. One is the learning based classification. The learning is nothing but generally the machine learning algorithm based the data is going to be classified. So the another part is key phase based data classification. So first one is the learning based classification means we are finding the prefix span method. Prefix span is nothing but just the in data mining we continuously finding the sequences patterns. It is called the prefix span. So next one is the FP tree. FP tree means finding frequent pattern trees. So after the finally the result getting frequent items based, we will finding the one tree. It's based on our data set. So next one is the a priori. A priori is one of the frequent items at finding data. Association rule mining is also another machine learning algorithm. So this part we will finding the frequent data. So the another method as keyframe. So the first one is the feature selection. So next one is legends creation. Third one is the frequent pattern. So these are three methods based we will finding the features extraction method. So after this methods based we will finding the frequent data. So here we will finding the two data sets. One is the adult and the one is the health. So the health information based you will finding the user behavior. So after the user behavior is finding the patient is normal or abnormal. So this is the sum of frequent items. So finding the user performance. So we'll get the medical report or frequent items report. So the particular information is stored on the user's email. Okay, so now the demo section is start for the novel Internet of Things centric framework to mine malicious frequent patterns. So this is the home page. So when I click to home, it's go for the next page. Okay, so this is the IoT framework through mining frequent patterns. So this is the dataset selection. So first one is the here different dataset we are using. So first we will running the adult dataset. Next, So the data is going to be inserted, show the data. So next going to the pre-processing. The pre-processing is successful. So next view the data. So here finding the malicious patterns. So this is the malicious. So this type of information is to be considered as a malicious. So this is removing. So after the data store, so now the data is going to be classified. So in previously said told with here we are processing two types of classification. So one is the machine learning algorithms based normal data classification. The another one is the keyframe based classification. So first one is the machine learning algorithms based data classification. So this is the state government. This is the data set information. State government. So sequential patterns are classified. So this is the working class with working class as the state government. So save. So more. Next. So this is the prefix method. So always use with the prefix span method based the data frequent data finding. The prefix span is nothing but just load the data set or using our data set with what are the data we are using to be finding the sequence pattern. So this is called the prefix span method. So here just I'm using the salary levels based on the less than 50 or greater than 50. So here I'm using the less than or equal to 50k. So give the spanning trees method. So the state government data and the salary levels will be less than 50. So these are peoples are less than 50. So particular information are stored. Going for next. So this is the novel methodology. So this is the our education based processing. So with the bachelor's, this is the salary count tree. This is the general informations based on sex. So going to final. So here in starting with whatever type of data we are classifying, the particular data will be come to this page. So in I'm using the state government. So the state government data will be shown here. So this is the results are classified. So this is the every sequence patterns. This is the individual sequence patterns based on the adult data set. So now we will finding the frequent data through the data set 1. So next we are going to the second process. So the second process means we are just load to the frame.java. So this is the keyframe based data classification. So the keyframe based data classification has three parts available here. So one is the feature extraction, legends creation, frequent patterns mining. So NetBeans novel frequent patterns dataset modified cancer. So here we are using the cancer dataset. So load. So pre-process. So view. So this is the cancer data. So this is the cancer dataset we are loading into the process. Okay. So next we'll finding the cancer disease prediction data. So this is the overall status of the patient's details. So this is the cancer. Here we are taking the two attributes, the cancer 1 and 2. The 2 means it's the critical patients of the 2 means the cancer disease is the very critical. 1 means the cancer disease is normal. So here I am finding the critical patients because what are those patients are come to the cancer count is 2. So the 2 means it's a critical. So the overall count is 212. So rule selection means so what are the symptoms to be affected in the cancers. So just is the symptoms. So is the supporting count. So confidence, rule mining, calculations, patients. The standard data set are the symptoms. Support and confidence measurement 0.2, rule mining techniques, calculation, high risk patients. So now the data is going to be testing. So the testing means next we come to the feature selection process. So here we will finding the taking the features. So crypto 9. So this is the classification feature classification methods actually inserted. So next we will finding this is the topmost levels of the search menu attributes of the count. So here the count will be in the 8. This is the topmost attributes for the cancer attribute of the count. So information stored here we will compare the two features. One is the density and the other one is the search menu. So the density value is maximum is 9. So the search menu value is sum of this value is 9. So we will compare to the density and search menu. So this is the frequency length is 9. So both are 9. So the frequency length is 9. So now the user is going to be login. So here I am using the existing user information. So just ID and password. So click to the login. So the valid user go ahead. So this is the existing user information. So John user ID 8. So this is our mail ID. Suppose I am using the new user information, so it automatically displayed. Okay. So we will entering this process. Hemoglobin 12, blood count 6, the RBC is 8. So this manual information have to be stored. Now this type of information is going to be the cryptographic access. So now the data is going to be encrypted. So finally we will credit the patient's disease levels. So just I enter the user ID 8. 8 is the John's user information. So this is the BMI. The BMI means body mass index. So the Hispanic and the last map, the hemoglobin, palate count. So these are some general patients or cancer information based. We will finding the patient status. So the John user is the abnormal patient. So going to be finding the trees. So here we are using the cancer dataset. So the event name is cancer. So view the tree. So this is the cancer tree. It's based on this is the decision tree process. So cancer history of cancer ones and zeros. A15. This means the cancer counts 1 and 2. Suppose 1 means normal, 2 means critical. So this is the cancer information to be finded. This is the performance evaluation. So this is the time consumption of the graph for the existing and proposed systems. So this is the overall process. Now the demo is finished. Thanks for watching this.